Today is Tuesday, June 18th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. We are now well into this heat wave. Technically not a heat wave yet because you have to have 3 consecutive days at 90 or above, and I don't think anyone's done that yet. But some are looking at day 2 today, and with the humidity increasing, today is going to feel worse than it did yesterday. So let's start things off with a forecast in New York, where we are off to a bright start, but also a warm start. We're already climbing through the 70s. Not going to take long to get into the 80s, and then we'll end up just shy of 90 this afternoon. Now that's what the thermometer's going to say, but when you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like it's probably in the low 90s at times this afternoon. It is going to be a warm night with the humidity continuing to climb. The atmosphere just can't cool. Dry air cools a lot faster, a lot more efficiently than humid air. That tends to trap a lot of that warmth. So we are going to have a warm night ahead of us, so temperatures holding in the 70s. We also have the air quality that continues to come down. Today, the air quality is going to be unhealthy for those that fall in sensitive groups. That includes anyone with asthma or similar respiratory illnesses. So you should limit your time outside, certainly avoid outdoor strenuous activity. And just if you know someone in your family that falls into those categories, keep an extra eye on them today and probably over the next several days. 96 today in Albany, 94 in Syracuse, near 90 in Buffalo. These are hot temperatures. That's the temperature, what the thermometer is going to say. But when you factor in the heat, or the humidity rather, it's going to feel more like this. 100 is going to be the heat index this afternoon, as well as in Syracuse, 94 in Buffalo, 90 or just about that, maybe a little bit above in portions of New York City across the 5 boroughs, and 95 is what it'll feel like in Philadelphia. So it is going to be an exceptionally hot day. It's going to be a dangerously hot day, and it's a good reminder to listen to your body. If you think you need to take a break, take a break. Do not push yourself in this type of weather. Drink lots of water, seek out the shade, and just avoid outdoor strenuous activity during the hottest time of the day. We do have some thunderstorms in the middle of the country with the front coming in from the west, but ahead of that, it is a strong heat wave with this dome of high pressure that is strategically perfect for a heat wave just off to our east. And I say that because the backside of high pressure is a southerly wind, and that's what we're seeing. So that's pumping in the warm, humid air. 90 tomorrow, New York, 91 on Thursday, 94 on Friday. We're still near 90 on Saturday. We may not see those temperatures cooling down until the end of the weekend. And even then, it's not a big cool down. So that is your Tuesday morning weather update. Please stay cool, stay healthy, seek out the air conditioning. If you live in New York City, you can call 411 and get the latest information on where you can seek out air conditioning. So that's a good tool for you if you need it. Anyway, have a great day, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.